Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm going to do 3 different bikes and the hub sounds. So, I'm just grabbing my sister's GT Performer 2012 edition. Here it is. There's the back, and here it is. It's very quiet, I know. She's really disappointed about so that's that. Our next bike is one you can see in front of you, the Fit Dugan 2, 2013 model. Yeah, it's gone. And here's this one. Which is also a pretty quiet hub, but it's better than the GTs. A better bike than the GT altogether, so it's only hub sound. And our final one is a 2012 Fiat Inman 3. Best bike out of all, and here we go. And that's that. That's the loudest out of all of them now, but there's still used to have a loud hub sound, but it just died down. And now it's the Inman 3. It has the loudest hub sound. And hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be making more soon.